Hi everyone. If you want to get the free Google Gemini Pro version, here is what you should do now. Okay. So now, right now, I'm going to open my browser and search for Google. Just Google AI subscription. Okay. Then after that, you click on the first link. Okay. So right here, I'm going to select this one, Google AI Pro. Okay. Then I will click on this button, get started. Okay, so right here is the Google AI Pro. So I will select this one as usual. Then I will accept terms and condition. Okay, so you click to add your card, and immediately they will prompt you to enter your ATM card. So right here you are going to enter your ATM number, card holder name, and the billing address. So once you enter it, you click on save. Okay, so once you click on save, they are not going to charge you. The only charge they will charge you is the card charge, which is about 100 in Nigeria. Okay, so once you finish adding your card and click on save button, immediately they will change your account to pro version. Okay, so this pro version is going to last for only 1 month, and once it get to 1 month, they will charge you based on this amount you are seeing here, 28,500. Okay, so if you want to learn how to remove your ATM card from this Google Gemini, you watch my next video. The video will teach you how to do that, and they will not charge you again. And even though you remove your card from this Google Gemini, you will still have access to Google AI Pro version. Okay, so thank you. See you soon.